Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be examining Bluedot and Sembly AI. Are you a text enthusiast? And have you ever wondered which AI tool is better for boosting productivity? Bluedot or Sembly AI? Today we're putting them head to head in an epic showdown. Stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your workflow. When it comes to main purpose, Bluedot is an AI-powered expense tracking and receipts tool, while Sembly AI is an AI meeting assistant, that is, for notes and summaries tool. When it comes to what they are best for, Bluedot is who they are best for. Bluedot is best for freelancers, accountants, and small businesses, while Sembly AI is best for teams, remote workers, and executives. When it comes to their key features, Bluedot has auto scans receipts, expense categorization, and tax compliance, while Sembly AI has records and transcribes meetings, generates summaries, and has action item tracking. When it comes to their integrations, Bluedot integrates with Xero, QuickBooks, and Excel, while Sembly AI integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. When it comes to pricing, Bluedot has a free plan, also has a paid options, while Sembly AI has free trial, then subscription. When it comes to AI accuracy, it is great for receipts. That is, Bluedot is great for receipts, but is limited beyond that. While Sembly AI is super accurate for voice to text. When it comes to ease of use, Bluedot is simple and intuitive, while Sembly AI is slightly steeper. That is, has a slightly steeper learning curve. When it comes to mobile app, Bluedot has a mobile app. Also, Sembly AI has a mobile app. And lastly, their best perk. Well, Bluedot has saves hours on expense reports, and with Sembly AI, you never miss meeting details again. So the verdict: choose Bluedot if you hate manual receipt tracking. Pick Sembly AI if you drown in meetings and need smart summaries. So which one are you teaming up with? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic AI showdowns.